Good day, tourists! Let me introduce myself first. My name is John Del Valenton, but you can call me Kuya Dilog. And I'll be your guide today on behalf of CCC Travel and Tour. Here with me, our driver, Manong Donato. Say hi, Manong Donato! Again, you can call me Kuya Dilog. Welcome to the diving capital of the Philippines, Puerto Galera. This time, I will take you to one of the most visited and beautiful beach, Aplayang Munti. A small but a very beautiful beach that is often visited. Used to be a simple beach with only hands is now a private beach with a restaurant. But before we dive into our destination, let's talk about safety. Stay aware of your surroundings and keep an eye on your belongings. Ups, ups, ups! If I whistle once and I raise the green flag, you have time to explore and taking a pictures. But if I whistle twice and I raise the red flag, it means you need to return to our bus, which is blue and number 2. Okay? Tourists, let's have a quick head count before we start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and that's make start including me and our driving Manong Donato. Okay, tourists, once again, welcome to Aplayang Munti. Enjoy your trip, be safe and God bless!